Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 42 cents to 56 cents. Cardano cost could reach $1 soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents. In this Cardano cost forecast 2023, we will break down the value examples of ADA by utilizing exact broker amicable specialized examination pointers and furthermore foresee the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This practical blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake agreement system, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. At last, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as an updated adaptation of Ethereum's Savvy Contracts organization. Additionally, it plans to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano value expectation 2023 Cardano positions 7th based on CoinMarketCap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. In the above diagram, Cardano spread out a climbing channel design. Climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around separately seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is for the most part a quality of a bullish pattern. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Cardano was recorded at 38 cents. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the obstruction levels of 43 cents and 51 cents. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of ADA might tumble to the help of 37 cents. 33 cents and 30 cents. Cardano backing and obstruction levels. The graph given underneath explains the conceivable opposition and backing levels of Cardano in 2023. According to the above examination, on the off chance that Cardano's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its opposition level of 56 cents. Alternately, assuming that Cardano's bears rule the pattern, the cost of ADA could plunge to 25 cents. Cardano value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Cardano are displayed in the diagram beneath. The specialized examination marker relative volume is utilized to gauge the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is normally determined by partitioning the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps merchants in distinguishing strange exchanging action and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Cardano was found underneath the end line. In this manner, it means a feeble volume of members exchanging the latest thing. The following specialized pointer is the moving normal. This force pointer is utilized to streamline cost information and recognize patterns on the lookout. It helps in computing the typical cost of a resource over a particular period. Especially, the 50-day moving normal assesses the typical shutting cost of the resource throughout recent day. At the point when the cost of a resource is above 50 MA, it is viewed as in an upswing, and whenever laid underneath 50 MA, it is in a downtrend. Remarkably, in the above diagram, the ADA cost lies over 50 MAMA, showing its upturn. Subsequently, ADA is in a negative state, albeit this is the present status. A pattern inversion could happen. Next up is the overall strength file. Fundamentally, this investigation marker assists dealers with deciding the strength and energy of a resource's cost development over a particular period. In this examination, the RSI is determined by contrasting the normal additions and misfortunes of the resource over the beyond 14 period. The subsequent worth lies between a scope of 0 and 100. Thus, the readings over 70 demonstrate an overbought state, and under 30 show an oversold state. Fundamentally, dealers frequently utilize the RSI to distinguish potential pattern inversions or to affirm the pattern's bearing. For example, in the event that a resource is in an upturn and the RSI comes to an overbought perusing of 70, it might recommend that the resource is expected for a pullback or revision. On the other hand, in the event that a resource is in a downtrend and the RSI is in an oversold perusing of 30, it might propose an expected inversion. At the hour of examination, the RSI of ADA is at 57.98. Along these lines, this demonstrates ADA is neither an overbought nor oversold state. Cardano value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the underneath outline. We dissect the strength and unpredictability of Cardano utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, normal directional record and relative instability list. To examine the strength of the pattern energy, let us observe the typical directional record. The ADX esteem is gotten from the two directional development markers like plus DI. DI is communicated between 0 to 100, as per the information on the above diagram. The ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 30.60, bringing up areas of strength for A. The above graph likewise shows another specialized pointer, the general unpredictability file. This pointer estimates the instability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. Concerning the graph's information, the RVI of ADA lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Correlation of ADA with BTC. ETH. Let us presently look at the value developments of Cardano with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of ADA is like that of BTC and ETH. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes. The cost of ADA likewise increments or diminishes separately. Cardano Value Forecast 2024 to 2030 with the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern designs. Let us anticipate the cost of Cardano somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Cardano Value Forecast 2024 in the event that bulls rule the value energy and pattern designs. Cardano could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $2 by 2024. Cardano Cost Expectation 2025. The huge updates in the Cardano biological system could convince the section of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Cardano cost to reach $4 by 2025. Cardano Value Forecast 2026. If Cardano effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving potential gain, then it would revitalize to hit $6. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. If Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and stands as a superior speculation choice on the lookout, then, at that point, ADA would energize to hit $8. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. If Cardano holds a positive market feeling in the midst of the profoundly unpredictable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then, at that point, ADA would hit $10 by 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, then, at that point, the crypto would observe significant spikes. Thus, ADA could hit $12 by 2029. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the ADA cost could revitalize to $14 on the off chance that the pattern force adjusts for Cardano. Moreover, ADA would hold a positive market feeling and be named as a drawn-out speculation with profoundly productive return on initial capital investment. And if Cardano secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be positive for the digital money. All in all, the bullish Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 56 cents. Nearly. The negative Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents. In the event that there is a positive rise in the market energy and financial backers' opinion, then, at that point, Cardano could hit $1. Besides, with future overhauls and progressions in the Cardano biological system, ADA could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local digital currency of Cardano. Cardano is a shrewd agreement put together blockchain working with respect to the verification of stake agreement send-off in 2017. 2. Where could you at any point purchase Cardano? Brokers can exchange Cardano on the accompanying digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex.